Again, now.
Mother, I'm dripping this cold freezing water because it's 80 degrees outside. And see my tan line? See? Yes? Okay. So if you can see my butt crack. I cannot believe I'm doing this! Ah! Okay. What if I get killed by a whale?
Whales aren't going to come near you.
What if a sea lion comes and grabs me?
There's none nearby.
We'll have a good wake for you.
You know what? I love you too. Okay. Should I cannonball or dive in?
Whatever you want to do.
Whatever you want to do.
Oh my gosh, I can't do this! Oh, let's go. Okay.
You feel good?
That's so good. Yeah, it's like salty. That's cold. Help me out.
Salty yet satisfying?
Yes, help!